Hi guys, this is Mohammad Rashid and today we are going to learn that how we can use JMP and LBL instruction on Micrlogix series programmable controller with the help of LOGIX 500 software. Okay, before starting the program, I just want to explain the JMP and LBL instruction. It's a very useful instruction in our ladder logic programming. We have a 6 rung of programming in our ladder and we want to run first and second, fifth and sixth rung in our program, but 3 and 4th temporarily we don't want to run. So in this condition we don't have to delete the 3rd and 4th rung. We can use JMP and LBL instruction in our program. Okay guys, let's start the programming. So as you can see, I have opened the LOGIX 500 software and I have taken a one binary bit B3 colon 0/0. I have also given the name, it's a pulse bit. So you can understand, I will explain you later that why I am taking this binary bit over here and why I have given the name, it's pulse bit. Okay, on the first rung you can also see I have taken a one output instruction, that name is JMP, and I have given the address Q2 colon 0. So Q2 is an address of that jump instruction. Okay, in the next rung I have taken a one input I colon 0/0, the address of that input, and O colon 0/0, it's an output. Again in the third rung I am going to take another input O colon 0/1, it's an input 2, and again I am going to take a one output O colon 0/1, it's an output 2. I have taken these two rung 001 and 002 to explain you. Okay, again I am going to add a one rung, and in this rung I am going to take LBL instruction, because in the first rung I have taken a jump JMP, and in the fourth rung I am taking JLBL. But you have to understand and you have to remember also that I have to give the same address what I have given in the JMP. I am going to give the same address on LBL, Q2 colon 0. Okay, again I am going to take a one input I colon 0/2, it's a start input. Okay, now I will take a final output OT O colon 0/2. Okay, I'm going to give the name motor. Motor output. Okay, now our program has completed. I have compiled the program, there is no error. Going to save the program. Now I'm going to online with the PLC and we can check that how the program is working, how the JMP and LBL instruction is working. Okay, so going to download the program. I'm going to online with the PLC, run the program. Okay, now first I just want to show you, I have given the start input, the motor output has on. I am going to give the input 2, the output 2 has on. Again I am going to give input 1, the output 1 is on. Okay, this is the simple logic, we know, everyone knows. Okay, but the important thing is that if I give the pulse bit to the JMP, I have on the pulse bit, so the JMP instruction has got the command. Now I am going to give the input 1. As you can notice that output 0 has not on. Again I have given the input 2. You can also notice the output 0 and output 1 both are not on. But if I give the input start input, the motor output has on. So this is the principle, working principle of the JMP and LBL. Okay, it means if you give the pulse on JMP, the program has understand that he have to skip those lane, those rung where the LBL has not added. Okay, see, okay, the more important thing is also, if you don't give the pulse to the JMP, again if you given the pulse to the input 1, 2 and start input, the motor and output has on. But if you give the input, let all the output has on, but after that you have given the pulse bit, the JMP will not work. Okay, so during the time of programming, we have to remember that if we want to skip some rung, so we have to add JMP before that rung, and the JMP instruction should high every time during the running program. In any condition, if JMP instruction became low, then those rung active again, which we want to skip. So the most benefit of this JMP and LBL instruction in the program is we don't have to delete the rung if it is unused. I hope you understand the working principle of this instruction. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.